Don't talk. It's a big piece of bread.
I'm knocking after that now. I wonder where the poke is so we can make some more.
I'm gonna move over where the fire isn't.
Yeah, stay right there. He's coming.
Where?
He's up in the tree. Oh! He took a candy! He took a candy. Okay.
Can I have a candy?
No, just stick your hand out. What? Yeah. Don't.
I felt him.
Yeah.
I felt his huge claws.